Shifting gears to router bits, Bosch's 6-piece carbide tipped edging and trim set is the kind of accessory pack you grab when you want consistent trimming, rounded edges and basic router profiles without hunting individual bits. The listing frames it as a compact accessory set, quality carbide tips, multiple profiles to suit most trim and edge tasks, and compatibility across many routers. The pricing is typically in the affordable accessory segment. Check the live product page for the current price, but this set commonly sits in a pocket change price zone compared to standalone premium bits. User reviews repeatedly praise Bosch for consistent cutting performance and long life for a value-priced set, and many carpenters say these bits are fine for cabinetry, edge trimming and hobbyist tasks. Downsides: professional woodworkers sometimes prefer singular premium bits for perfect finish and finish life under continuous production use. And if you want specialized profiles, you'll eventually buy add-ons. Pros: good value, carbide tips, useful assortment. Cons: not a substitute for pro high-end cullet bits under heavy production use. For hobbyists and pros who want a reliable starter set that gets the job done, this Bosch set is a solid buy. We share buy links in description box.